Go ahead and open it up.
Oh yeah.
You just lift.
Lift?
Yeah, just, yep, right here.
Oh yeah.
Good. Cool.
Gosh.
And then you got to get small amounts of newspaper. Well, hello guys, and welcome to the Bits. So this afternoon, this lovely sunny and warm afternoon, we have chose to go out and inspect the bees. This is our very first inspection. Today is April 13th. It's a good 5 days after they have been introduced into their hive, and what we are checking for is that the queen is released and that they have accepted her and that they are building up the hive. So Sam's is a little iffy. We're worried about that one because her hive has been very unactive. It's not been a lot of activity. I see a few bees going in and out, but not very much at all. So we're a little worried about Sam's. Mine's been very active. I have observed some pollen being brought in, and they're doing stuff. So
it's actually not yellow.
And Sam really wants, yeah, it's kind of orangish. Sam really wants hers to be active, so we want to get in there and check that. We're probably going to check my hive first and then go to hers. So, but that's here in a little bit. There's a lot of prep work that goes in before you actually go out to the hive. So, unfortunately, I don't have any sugar water because we're out of sugar, so I have to go get some sugar. That'll be another thing we'll do later. But for now, we do want to go out and we do want to inspect them while it's warm. It's in the afternoon. The bees are out of the hive. They're busy. So what I'm going to do is show Sam how to start the smoker. Now, I did this myself yesterday. I experimented with it. If you follow me on Snapchat, you would have seen that. So basically what I'm going to do is just show her and help her and guide her through this. And then we're going to get our suits on, and then we're going to go out and check out the hive. So, cool? All right. So, what you need to do is crumple up little pieces of paper. Bigger pieces than that. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Hi, Bear Bear. What's up, buddy? So you need to get the smallest of the sticks and break them up into small pieces. Probably about yay long. Yep, and just put a whole bunch in there. Go to town. You're building up a fire. Yep, just like that.
It's not going fast.
Here's some small, and here's some small. I think the rest of this is pretty big. Okay, and then light this, and then you just stick the flame down in there until it ignites the paper. And you see the paper start to take off, and you give it very soft puffs of air. Okay, that's good. It's smoking. That's what we want. There you go. I'm on this side because it is smoking.
Fire. What does this feel like? I want to touch it.
It's just cotton and wood and a mixture of stuff.
It's squishy. Fire.
Alright, so we have kind of some hot coals in there. It's pretty hot. And we're going to start stuffing the cotton in. So we got to really pack it in there, Sam. Yeah, a little bit more. So, smoker puffer is on the go. So now we're gonna jet in here. Sorry, that was probably a little blurry. We're gonna suit up and then we're gonna go get our, check our bees. And they said to cover that up because it could start a feeding frenzy. So she could be on anything in here, really. That right there. Are you nervous?
No, I'm just nervous to see what it's actually gonna look like. Do you see that?
And I see them. Oh, you see where they're building stuff right there too. They've been busy.
Awesome. Just can't take those two apart because they break.
But watch out for these pins. They want to slide out real easy. Oops, 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 oops. Hold on to that one. Let go.
Look at the back.
See where they're building on it right there? See how that's all changed? It is amazing.
got some sugar water.
Listen to them. You hear them? The roar.
Is that bad?
Yeah, they're a little upset. They're about done with me, messing in their little hive. Listen.
Is that bad?
You've seen. Now you need to get out. No, we got plenty of sugar water in there. So.
I'm just really nervous to see him again.
We just got done with my hive, and yeah, there's definitely a lot of activity. I didn't see eggs. I don't really know what I'm looking for either, so that could be why. So we're gonna open up Sam's hive because she's super dying to see what's inside her hive because it's so inactive. So we're gonna find out what's going on in Sam's hive here.
I'm just really nervous because I don't want them to be gone because it's gonna be really upsetting.
Nothing in there but ants.
Oh no.
Black ants. That's not good.
There's a bee in there right there.
Yeah.
Stupid ants.
Yeah, we'll get some cinnamon out here after those ants. Those ants are gonna go bye-bye.
And there's a lot of ants in that water. Hey! What do we first see when we open it? Bees!
Hey guys. You guys are so much quieter than your neighbors. You're not looking good.
Oops.
Guys. Just scoot you over here a little bit.
Just getting the thing that we have stapled it so it would stay on and it didn't fall off.
And they've got her glued too.
Yeah, it's just the comb they've stuck to it. So it's the comb that they've stuck to it. So it's just they've made it and now it's stuck to the little hive things. Right, these right here. Little things that you can pull out and the bees are on. Like these I showed you. So yeah. Just Mommy is trying to carefully get her unstuck. Can't really see very well, but the bees are there. Well, at least I know I at least have bees. Oh my gosh. There's bees over. That's what the queen was in.
No, your queen's still in there. That's why you don't have much activity. Yeah, see, they're still working on getting her out.
Is that bad?
No, not at all.
So at least I know I have a queen.
Yeah, that's absolutely okay.
The reason is because we put your
brush it. Down it goes. Dead bees. Sorry you had to drown.
Well, that's awesome. I'm really excited.
So there you have it. All put back together. We are now shut down for inspection. I went and I have ants, and I read that ants don't like cinnamon, so we put a whole bunch of ground cinnamon around each of the legs of the hive. But this is Sam's hive, and you can see it's not very active, but my hive's a little bit more active. The queen is released from mine, but Sam's queen is not released. So, yep, there's the box where mine came out. Well, I can't say my first hive inspection was all that exciting. In summation, we have one hive with a released queen and one hive with an unreleased queen. I can see they're eating at the candy, so they are attempting to accept her. It's a very small colony though. I think maybe some of the bees that were in that package kind of absconded to the other hive, if you will. Maybe because, you know, one reason or another, they didn't like how they were introduced. I mean, we forgot to spray them, and it was kind of a rough introduction, so there's a lot of reasons, I guess. I'm new as well, so I may have missed something that I'm not knowing to look for. There's lots of reasons, I'm sure, and but either way, both hives are building comb. They are, you know, they're drawing it out. They're working. Both hives are, you know, coming in and out of the hive. It's just the one hive is very, it's not got a lot of activity. I don't know how else to put it. There's just very little activity. The other hive that's doing well, that has the release queen, is very active. They're bringing in pollen, which is a sign that there's brood, or they're going to have brood. There's a lot of things going on in that hive that I'm unfamiliar with. Now, when we opened it up, I didn't see any eggs or anything like that, but maybe my eyes are just unfamiliar in that sense. So I'm looking forward to the next opening. So we'll probably wait maybe 2 or 3 more days. Maybe this weekend we'll go back out and we'll check again and see if that other queen is released. So we'll probably watch that one pretty heavily. And I also want to get some more syrup made, but it looks like they've depleted about half the syrup that I put in there. So I put about a gallon in each hive, and it's about half gone in each hive over the span of 5 days. So it's not too bad. But yeah, we'll go out and check again. Otherwise, everything looks really good. It is a very active hive. They're doing a good job. So hopefully they survive and they just keep growing. That's all you can hope for, I guess. So that's all I have for you. Until next time, stick around. Make sure you subscribe and tick that notification so you know when I put up my next video. We'll keep watching these bees here, though. I really don't have much else going on this weekend. I've got some work going on. It's Easter weekend, so happy Easter to everybody out there. New products are coming to the store. I do have, it's called Unicorn Spit. Is a gel glaze and stain all in one for multi-surface. So I'll be showing more details on that soon to come. But yeah, until next time, what else can I say? There's going to be a lot of bee stuff coming up because this is the new thing, and it's definitely a learning curve for me and for Samantha. Lots to learn, and it is fun. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later, and on behalf of me, my world, my family, and my life, thank you so much for watching, and we'll be seeing ya.